Today I'm going to show you how to apply smooth keyframes with a keyboard shortcut directly in Premiere Pro using Smoothify. It's super simple, and once you set it up, you're going to save a ton of time. First, you'll need Blinkle.io, the command bar extension that gives you Smoothify for free. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll drop the link in the description. Alright, so once it's installed, open Blinkle with Command K or whatever custom hotkey you've set. Type Smoothify. Select Use Preset. You're now inside the preset library. From here, you can create your own preset by tweaking the curve directly. Once you're happy with it, hit Ctrl S or click Save Custom as Preset. Give it a name and save it. Now go back using the arrow in the top left. Type your preset name. Mine is Smoothie Zoom. Then click Bind Custom Hotkey or press Ctrl-Shift-K and assign two keys. Just make sure they're not already taken by another preset. If you ever want to change the shortcut, just click Bind Custom Hotkey again and reassign whatever you want. Now head back to your timeline. Add two keyframes to a clip. I'm scaling from 100 to 120. Place your playhead between those two keyframes. This is important, otherwise Smoothify won't detect them. And hit your shortcut. In under 2 seconds, you've got a buttery smooth zoom applied to your clip. Install Blinkle for free. Smoothify is included, and once your shortcuts are set up, your animation workflow is never going back to the old way.